In this video, I'm going to talk about the hidden discoveries of Nikola Tesla and how it relates to manifesting anything in your life. When you understand this information, it will awaken your consciousness to see the world completely differently and uncover the true power within you. When you understand how matter and energy work together, then you will realize that there is nothing that can stop you from achieving anything that you desire. So that's why it's really important that you watch until the very end of this video. Deep within the confines of the top secret documents lies an extraordinary collection of patents and inventions from one of history's most revered inventors, Nikola Tesla. These patents unlock the secrets to the universe, and we will delve into his research, patents, and how you can use his discoveries to unlock the keys of the universe. Despite his genius, Tesla has been largely forgotten and dismissed by the mainstream media. However, estimates suggest that approximately 80% of today's technology is a direct result of Tesla's research and inventions. Therefore, it's high time that we take a closer look at his work. It all began in 1905, when the brilliant Tesla submitted patent number 787412 to the US government, entitled The Art of Transmitting Electrical Energy Through the Natural Medium. This patent contained designs for a global network of generators that could produce free energy accessible to all. Tesla was acutely aware that the ionosphere shimmered with electrical energy waiting to be harnessed. He believed that Earth was an enormous electrical generator whirling around two magnetic poles from which limitless energy could be extracted with the correct medium or shape. This brings us to our first significant idea. There exists an invisible energy in the universe that you can tap into and become superhuman. In Tesla's words, all matter comes from a primary substance, the luminiferous ether. This leads us into our second significant idea, the concept of an invisible energy that some people refer to as God or consciousness, but which can also be explained through physics. Tesla believed that this omnipresent and omnipotent kinetic energy was readily available for anyone to tap into at any moment. During a speech at the American Institute of Electrical Engineers in 1911, Tesla proclaimed that throughout space, there is energy. He went on to say that this energy was static, then humanity's hopes of harnessing it were in vain. However, if it was kinetic, which he believed it to be, then it was only a matter of time before mankind could attach their machinery to the very work of nature. Tesla's plans to power the universe with this energy were groundbreaking, but that's what's even more amazing, is that we can all tap into this same energy and use it as the most powerful manifestation tool in the world. The key is to understand that physical matter is subject to this invisible energy and to harness it through our consciousness in order to alter the physical world. As Tesla once said, "I'm trying to awaken the energy contained in the air." There are main sources of energy. What is considered as empty space is just a manifestation of matter not yet awakened. So by understanding and tapping into this invisible energy, we can awaken the power within ourselves and manifest our desires into reality. Now let's dive into the third significant idea, which is all about how to harness this energy to power your own world. Tesla believed that the thoughts and emotions emit frequency that interact with the universe's energy. In other words, your thoughts and emotions have a direct impact on the energy around you. If you emit positive frequencies, then you attract positive energy and vice versa. Therefore, the key to manifesting your desires is to align your thoughts and emotions with the energy you want to attract. It's about training your consciousness to tap into the energy that surrounds you and focusing on what you desire. This is what Tesla called the law of attraction. But here's the thing, the law of attraction is not just about positive thinking. It's about taking inspired action towards your goals. You can't just sit on the couch and visualize your dreams coming true. You also have to take the necessary steps to bring them into reality. This means setting goals, creating a plan, and taking action towards them every day. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy you want to attract. But your actions will be in vain if you first do not align your energy to what you desire. So how can you harness this energy to power your own world? The key is to use your consciousness to awaken the kinetic energy and manifest the matter that you desire. You can do this through various manifestation techniques such as visualization, affirmations, and meditation. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves creating a mental image of what you desire in your mind's eye. By focusing on this image and visualizing it as already fulfilled, you can activate the kinetic energy and bring your desires into physical manifestation. Affirmations are another effective technique that involves repeating positive statements about what you desire or even about yourself. By affirming these statements with conviction, you can align your thoughts and beliefs with the reality of your desires and attract them into your life. Now, meditation is a powerful tool that can help you connect with universal energy and awaken the kinetic energy within you. By quieting your mind and focusing on your breath, you can tap into the infinite potential of the universe and manifest your desires with ease. Now, Tesla's fourth significant idea is a fascinating one. He believed that we must ponder the existence of new matter from the invisible field of energy. In an unpublished interview, he explains his dynamic theory of gravity, stating that the ether invisible energy is acted upon by life-giving creative force. The ether energy is thrown into infinitesimal worlds at near speed of light, becoming ponderable matter. Then this force subsides and motion ceases, and matter reverts to ether. What's interesting about the idea is that it aligns with what quantum physics proves with the wave-particle duality and the observer effect. Tesla's notion that the energy can move from being ponderable matter, meaning it's invisible, into tangible matter at the speed of light is fascinating. Then it moves back from tangible matter into ponderable matter, which is potential energy that has not been called into form from your consciousness. This means that ponderable matter is just observable kinetic energy in the quantum field and is a wave, not a particle. Tesla believed that by pondering the possibility of this new matter, we can activate the wave-particle duality. This would cause atoms to move from invisible energy into measurable atoms, showing the immense power of our consciousness. It's an extraordinary idea that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The world around us is so much more than what our five senses can perceive. Our hearing is limited, our sight obstructed by shadows and intervening objects. In order to truly understand one another and the universe, we must go beyond what our senses can tell us. We must use our minds to reach out and explore. Tesla's legacy is built on the idea that we can tap into this kinetic energy. He was able to harness this energy through his Tesla generators and coils, drawing invisible energy from the ether and converting it into normal electricity. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a genius inventor to access the same energy. Your brain is already a mini Tesla coil, a receiver for the electrical information that travels through your nervous system at the speed of light. Tesla himself believed that his brain was simply a receiver in the vastness of the universe. He spoke of a core from which knowledge, strength, and inspiration could be obtained. It is through the flow of the universal energy that we build the vision of what we desire in life. Anything we don't have is simply matter that has yet to be awakened. This is where meditation and visualization come in. If we can awaken the energy contained in the air around us, we can tap into the key to the universe. Now, to apply Tesla's big ideas into your life, try this technique just for 5 minutes per day. Imagine your brain as an electrical receiver, tapping into the universal energy that surrounds us. Use this flow of energy to build your vision of the life you want. And remember that what may seem like empty space is simply matter that has yet to be awakened. By doing this, you can bend reality and harness the kinetic energy that surrounds us all. It's a powerful concept, one that can be a game changer for anyone looking to make a change in their life. So why not give it a try? Let your mind be your guide and discover the limitless potential that comes from thinking beyond your senses. Who knows what amazing things you can accomplish when you harness the power of the universe. Now, when you practice this idea in visualization, you will imagine a surge of new potent energy coursing through your body and mind, recharging every cell with vitality. Instead of just being a Tesla coil, this energy has the power to manifest your deepest desires. Just as Tesla directed energy from his generators to power a city, you can direct this energy to reignite your life. Now, it's important to remember that everything you want is simply energy, already existing in the quantum field, waiting to be formed by natural laws. As Tesla famously said, what one person calls God, another calls the laws of physics. With this powerful kinetic energy waiting to be harnessed in the universe, why not you? And why not now? Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new.